Hello, tech enthusiasts and car lovers. Today, we bring you something exciting, a comprehensive review of the Wireless CarPlay Adapter, a device that can transform your driving experience. If you've ever wished to have CarPlay in your vehicle without cables, this video is for you. We'll explore how it works, its installation, and why it could be an excellent addition to your car. So keep watching to discover how to take your in-car entertainment to the next level. Key features: wireless connectivity. Forget about cables and connect to CarPlay wirelessly for a more liberated and convenient experience. Wide compatibility. Compatible with a wide range of vehicles and iOS devices, making it versatile. Easy installation. Install the adapter in your car easily and start enjoying CarPlay in minutes. Full functionality. Access all the usual CarPlay functions like navigation, calls, music, and more. Software updates. Stay up to date with software updates for optimal performance. Personal insights. After testing the Wireless CarPlay Adapter, I'm delighted with the freedom it offers compared to cables. The installation was easy and quick, and compatibility with my iOS device was perfect. Now I can access all CarPlay functions seamlessly and enjoy a more connected and safe driving experience. Find the link in the description of this video.